Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Mxfurhawa Collapsible Laundry Hamper with wheels, a perfect blend of functionality and style for your home. This innovative laundry hamper boasts a collapsible design, making it incredibly easy to store and transport, while its 65-liter capacity ensures it can handle even the largest loads of laundry, ideal for busy families or individuals. The removable liner simplifies the process of emptying and cleaning, adding to its convenience. Built with a sturdy metal frame, this hamper provides reliable support, so you never have to worry about it buckling under pressure. The addition of wheels allows for effortless mobility, even when the hamper is full, making laundry day a breeze. Its sleek and modern design seamlessly complements any decor, making it not just a laundry solution but a stylish addition to any room. Versatile in use, this hamper is perfect for storing clothes, toys, and other household items, making it a must-have for homes, apartments, dorms, and more. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.